everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And, yeah. So today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. I've got this. It's a Myojo Tensoba shrimp Tensoba. I'm using this cup because I have this cup for when I have, see, I'll show you. This is a single piece cup container. So it's got a little bit of foam on the outside, but a lot of them you'll have an inner cardboard cup and then an outer cardboard thing that just peels off. Well, this one didn't have that, so it's kind of irritating. But what can you do? So I'm using this that came from an instant noodle from way back, but hey, it's gonna work. And we need 3 minutes and away we go. So, big news today is Alec Baldwin blew a, what do you call it? He shot a prop gun and it killed somebody. Hey, but more importantly, it's Miles. Hey, Miles with the banana.
Hi, Papa.
What you got all over yourself? Is that water?
Yes.
Oh. Can you make sure the water's not on the floor and sitting upright? Mimi, put your water up on the counter.
I have to say hello to the nice people.
Just so it's not spilling on the couch. Yeah, say hi to the nice people.
Hi, the nice people.
What are you doing today?
But because I'm making some
I'm gonna make some noodles.
noodles. What do you mean noodles?
Oh my God. Out of the kitchen. Hot stuff. No, no, no. That's enough encroachment. Give you guys an inch, you take a mile. Go, go, go.
Okay.
Okay. Love you. Anyway. No, no. Go watch your movie and be good. Or else. Or else what?
Or else what?
I don't know what, but not good. Not good. I what?
Being too silly. You got 19 more minutes.
Oh, I'm being too silly. Anyways, Alec Baldwin killed somebody with a prop gun. How do you do that? It's a prop. It's not real. It's not real, Miles. How does that even happen?
And this happened. I can count to this thing. I
Yeah.
have to count.
Go ahead and count. You guys go hang out. But put the drink on the icebox so you don't get the couch all wet. Go put the drink on the icebox so the couch doesn't get all wet. Go put the drink on the icebox so the couch doesn't get all wet. It's Friday. Happy Friday.
I like it.
Good. Go, go, go. Papa's working. Miles, Papa's working on stuff. Go sit down and eat your banana. It's not time to run around with a banana. Go eat. Go. Anyways, I'm trying to do my workout here, but it's not working out so well. Out of the kitchen, go sit on the couch. 5, 4, 3, 0. Hey, that kind of worked. What I have found is that unless they've got some form of entertainment device, they are getting worse and worse at just simply entertaining themselves. And it's just kind of, they play off of each other. Like literally, the only thing I can do to get an episode done if they're home is put them on a tablet. And I'm really sick of putting them on those tablets because it's like, they're evil. God, the media that's made for children these days is like the worst of the worst, I swear. But Miles is autistic and Mimi is very talkative. And I give it like 2 minutes before there's some kind of like yelling and screaming fit about something silly. Maybe the next couple episodes there will be tablet involved. Here we go. But it's Friday. That's nice. But it's wet outside. Oh my God. That's enough. Share. Nice chew to these noodles. Almost like they're the mochi noodles that have that little bit of extra chew to them, extra bounce. That's good. Alright, let's check out this broth. Yeah, that's not bad. Out of the kitchen, I said. Go clean up. Time out. Go. Finish your... Eat your banana, you freaking... Need to eat your banana, sir. I do apologize. Oh yeah, I use this. I even put on Frozen. You know, the horrible film, Disney. Yeah. It ain't working. Oh, the storm is raging in here, kid. The storm is raging in here. I got some Narutomaki. And I know it's not chashu or nothing, but I can't get away from using my wonderful homemade chashu, so that's getting on here too. What kind of person would I, what kind of filthy, horrible person would I be if I denied this chashu? There we go. Yeah, just let it go. Let it go. And these are fresh mung bean sprouts, but ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why, but they're all bendy. And the way they're bendy kind of makes me feel like at some point the kind people at the grocery store possibly let them sit in a situation that was the wrong kind of light or something, and they grew and they grew. No, no, you can't get the singing doll, Elsa. You can't badger parents for toys 24/7. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want a toy Elsa. Oh, Mimi has decided she's getting a toy. I don't, you didn't ask, you just kind of decided you're getting this toy. I don't drive, Mimi, I can't get you a toy. It's in Linwood, that's a long ways away, if they even make them anymore. I don't know. They might have found that it makes kids demanding, and that's kind of bad for business. Well, no, it's not really, but you know. I don't want to push on any jewels.
You just pushed on the dress. Dresses have what's on your breast.
Rotato, save me.
They sing. When you put a push on
Well, the kids are going to give me a stroke, so I'm going to let them use their tablets. But hey, this is to what we're going to have tomorrow. This is one from Zen Pop. This is Marjan it's Hakata Ramen Soba. Yaki Ramen. So it's like a yakisoba ramen thing. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.